Hi, this is Grant at Grant Palmer Photography, bringing you some more tips and tricks about photographing at Burning Man, and I want to talk about batteries and battery management. We will take a lot of batteries out to the playa, we will recharge them periodically. That's great. One thing I do though is when a battery is done, I put it back. This is my camera battery. I'll put it back in with the cover on, and I'll take a piece of tape. This is gaff tape, you could use blue tape, whatever you like, and just tape the cover to the battery. That way, unambiguously, I know which ones are charged and which ones are used. So when I need to charge them, I can just fish these ones out of my bag and I'm good to go. I don't have to think about it. And it's less risk of putting a dead battery in your camera gear. The other thing is AAAs and AA's. Got lots of these. What we like to use are little holders like these. You can get them from a variety of places, online, wherever. These are nice because they're compact. The batteries don't go sprawling everywhere in your bag or in your tent or in your RV or however you're set up. The other thing I like to do is all of the batteries are facing one way when they are charged. And that's with the anode out. This is just me. This system works for me. When I've got a dead battery, I put it in the opposite direction. That way I can easily tell which batteries need charging, which batteries don't. I don't have to fool around or mess around with which ones are which and how many have I got left that are still charged. What do I need to do? So I hope those helped. If you like, drop me a comment. Add your tips and tricks to the comments. That'd be great. Hit me up on Instagram, Grant Palmer Photography over there, and ask any questions you like. And I will catch you all in the next one. Cheers.